Yes, good morning, second class children. Are you all ready for the class? So, yesterday we had completed the Holy Eye poem, isn't it? Nacho Gavo, that poem we had completed. Now, be ready for the topic about what? Au Matra. Which Matra we are going to start? Au Matra. Okay. So, what are the Matra we had completed now? Now, tell me now, what are the Matra? First, a letter. No Matra for this, a letter. Second one, ki matra, completed. You keep on writing this, all the children. Please write this in the class book one time. This matra also should be written in the one time. A matra, e, choti ki matra, towards left side. Okay, back side. Next one, e, badi ki matra. Okay, again to the right side. The next one is oo, facing towards upward, choti oo ki matra. Next one, the next, I don't have the space here, so I am writing here. Badi oo ki matra, downward. The next one, ri matra. Don't say ru, it is a ri matra. Okay, this is the ri matra. A, this is A matra, completed. The next one we have completed I matra, double stroke. The next one O matra. Which matra this is? O matra. Okay. Now we are getting into which matra now? Au matra. Which matra? Au matra. So be ready all of you. How to write this? Au ki matra. Is it clear, children? So once again I will repeat, then I will start our matra class. Tell me now. There is no matra. Nil, कोई मात्रा नहीं. अक्षर के कोई मात्रा नहीं होता. Next, आ मात्रा, उच्चारण ऊपर से आवाज निकालो. आ, ई, drag the sound. U, short sound. Again, big sound. U, ri. After ri, you will get only single tone sound. No A. There is no A, I, O, not like that. It is, you can see in Telugu letters, isn't it? But in Hindi, we have the single tone letters as soon as we complete the re letter. That is A matra, I matra, O ki matra, Au ki matra. So we are not pronouncing double time. Like a, e, u. Only those 6 letters you have the double sound. As soon as when you get into the re letter, after re letter, you have to go with the single tone sound. That is A, I, O, Au. Is it clear now? So these are the matraye. So how many matra we had completed? Almost we are going to complete 11 matraye. Okay. If we now we are stepping into 11th matra, that is au matra. 10 मात्राएं we had completed. पूरे 10 मात्राएं हम लोग कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं, है ना? तो अभी कौन सी मात्रा भी जा रहे हैं हम लोग? औ की मात्रा. ठीक है? So let me start with the औ की मात्रा. I will show you the basic steps how to write the औ की मात्रा. Okay? Now be ready, children. Now get ready for the औ की मात्रा. Okay? Now listen here. औ की मात्रा. Now, when you are writing au matra stroke, it is very important class. Now listen all of you. First of all, your pencil should be very sharp. Keep your pencil very sharp. And because it's au matra, you should write very carefully, children. Listen here. This is the correct way. First you write the a letter. Okay. Then place the point sharp. And exactly you keep it on the last line, second line. This is the correct letter, the way of writing. Now listen, some children what they will do, they will keep it here, otherwise the middle line will come inside like this. No, this is wrong. And another way, okay, you know how to write this O matra, isn't it? Now you are writing. Then how will you give the O matra? Will you give like this? One in here and the stroke is in here? No, this is also wrong. Okay, if you are writing O stroke in one first letter only, is it correct? No, teacher, this is also wrong. Okay, and don't draw, I don't want to see any butterfly wings in the middle. Is it correct? No, that is also wrong. And don't come out of the letter. मात्रा है बोला तो correct उस अक्षर पढ़ना. तो एक ऐसा. Is it correct, children? No. This is also wrong. So see how many mistakes you can be do. So మీరు చేయడానికి ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని మీకు రావడం ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంది. Because when you are writing the strokes, no, one will be here, one will be here. Some different way they can may write do the mistakes. Okay. So you should have to avoid doing all those mistakes. And why I am showing on the board, because don't do such mistakes. Keep your pencil only sharp, because if your point is sharp, you can give the strokes properly. If your point is blunt, you can't give the stroke properly, because one will be split out. Your one matra will be giving here like this. So ఏమైతే మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఏం పడతారు, ఏం చేస్తారు, మాత్ర ఒకటి ఇక్కడ పడుతుంది కరెక్ట్. ఈ మాత్ర పెట్టేటప్పుడు one is here and another will go automatic out of the letter. See, look at it. Is it correct? No, this is also wrong. So while giving the strokes, if your pencil point is sharp, listen here how teacher is writing. First you write as it is, like a matra. And how do you used to give o matra? Exactly, children. Yes, మనం o matra ఇలా రాసాగా, దాని పక్కకి ఇంకోటి ఒక స్ట్రోక్ పెడుతున్నాం అంతే. Listen here, that's it. Same on the line. Don't cross, don't come out of the line. Same line, మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటి పెడుతున్నాం strokes. So it will become o matra. Now listen here, in the figures I can show you. This is the stroke. At a time in only one. One is here, one is out of the finger or like this. Are you able to write? Is it a correct? No. Exactly on, it should be on the line. That is o matra. Okay. When you are writing o matra like this on the line, is it? Can I make it like this? Is it correct? No, wrong. If I make it like this, that is also wrong. So it should be, the stroke should be exactly on the line. Okay. So these are the tricks. Now let me start the basic steps how to write the o matra. Okay. And you know what are the basics? What is the first step? How to join the letter and matra. Okay. So let me start the class. Now come on. Ka plus any letter, any Vyanjan letter. Ka plus o matra cow. Okay. Look at carefully. Ma plus o matra mouth. Okay. Na plus o matra now. Okay, the next one, pa plus au की मात्रा देने से क्या बन गया, पा पाउ की मात्रा पाउ. Okay, next sa plus au मात्रा sau. Okay, so this is the way, first basic steps. Okay, so ka plus au मात्रा कौ. माँ को औ की मात्रा जोड़ने से क्या बन गया, मऊ. ना और औ मात्रा जोड़िए, क्या बन गया, ना को औ की मात्रा नौ. प प्लस औ मात्रा पौ. स प्लस औ मात्रा सौ. Okay, so you write only this, you should have to write only one time. Okay, now what is the next one, next step? Yes, I'll show you. Take a next page. Okay, and don't write very clumsy. Place the finger gap and write neatly. Okay, say and write while writing. Ka ko au ki matra cow. Kha ko au ki matra cow. Look at the point how teacher is giving here. Place the finger gap. Ga ko au ki matra go. Gha ko au ki matra go. Okay, first row completed. का को औ की मात्रा कौ. खा को औ की मात्रा खौ. गा को औ की मात्रा गौ. घा को औ की मात्रा घौ. Next one, second row, leave a line, leave one line. चा को औ की मात्रा चौ. छा को औ की मात्रा छौ. जा को औ की मात्रा जौ. झ को औ की मात्रा झौ. Okay, next one, ट कौ की मात्रा टौ, थर्ड रो ठ कौ की मात्रा ठौ, द कौ की मात्रा डौ, ढ कौ की मात्रा ढौ, अण कौ की मात्रा अण के औ की मात्रा नौ, ता कौ की मात्रा तौ, था कौ की मात्रा थौ, द कौ की मात्रा दौ, धा कौ की मात्रा धौ, न कौ की मात्रा नौ, पा कौ की मात्रा पौ, फ कौ की मात्रा फौ, ब कौ की मात्रा बौ, भ कौ की मात्रा भौ, म कौ की मात्रा मौ, या कौ की मात्रा यौ, र कौ की मात्रा रौ, ल कौ की मात्रा लौ, व कौ की मात्रा वौ, श कौ की मात्रा शौ, श कौ की मात्रा शौ, स कौ की मात्रा सौ, ह कौ की मात्रा हौ, क्ष कौ की मात्रा क्षौ, त्र कौ की मात्रा त्रौ, न्य कौ की मात्रा न्यौ. Completed all the matra. Okay, so write very neat handwriting. Place a finger gap. I want all the letters should be on the correct exact track. Place a finger gap, leave a line and write. Okay, so don't write very clumsy handwriting and don't pack all the letters writing very near without finger gap space. And don't write all the letters like zigzag way. ఓకే ఒకటి ఇక్కడ రాయడము, ఇది ఒకటి దగ్గరకు రాయడము, మళ్ళీ చా నుంచి చో ఇక్కడ రాయడము. సో డోంట్ మేక్ ఆల్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ mess up. Okay, so write on the, it should be on the correct proper track. Maintain the good handwriting, spell the word, pronounce the letter and matra while writing, then you write on in your classwork notebook. So this is classwork one time, homework one time. Okay, so you are writing one time classwork, one time as a homework children. So you got it now? Once again let me start now. How do you spell the, how do you pronounce this letter? बोलो सब लोग. क कौ की मात्रा कौ, ख को औ की मात्रा खौ, take a big sound. Next small g, g को औ की मात्रा गौ. Next fourth letter big sound घ, घ को औ की मात्रा घौ. Next one च, च को औ की मात्रा चौ, छ, छ को औ की मात्रा छौ. ज, ज को औ की मात्रा जौ. झ big sound, झ को औ की मात्रा झौ. The next one is ट, ट से टमाटर. ट को औ की मात्रा टौ, ठ को औ की मात्रा ठौ, ड को औ की मात्रा डौ, ध को औ की मात्रा ढौ, अण को औ की मात्रा नौ. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ रो ता को औ की मात्रा तौ, थ को औ की मात्रा थौ, द को औ की मात्रा दौ, ध को औ की मात्रा धौ, न को औ की मात्रा नौ. फिफ्थ रो प को औ की मात्रा पौ, फ को औ की मात्रा फौ, ब को औ की मात्रा बौ, भ को औ की मात्रा भौ, म को औ की मात्रा मौ. लास्ट रो या को औ की मात्रा यौ, र को औ की मात्रा रौ, ल को औ की मात्रा लौ, व को औ की मात्रा वौ, श को औ की मात्रा शौ, श को औ की मात्रा शौ, स को औ की मात्रा सौ, ह को औ की मात्रा हौ, क्ष को औ की मात्रा क्षौ, त्र को औ की मात्रा त्रौ, ञ को औ की मात्रा ञौ. So all, how many rows are there? 6 rows. Complete. 6th row is lengthy row, 11 letters. Okay, so I had split it into 2 rows cheskunnanu nenu. Okay, now second letter always big sound, fourth letter also big sound, first and third letters are small sounds. Listen again, once again I'm telling you, first and third letter. First and third letter always small sound. Okay. Again, second and fourth finger. Second finger and fourth finger are big sounds. Is it clear now? So ఇటు చూస్తే కూడా మీకు బిగ్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ క ఖ, ఇటు చూస్తే క ఖ. Isn't it? So always second and fourth finger are big sounds. First and third finger are small sounds. Is it clear? So मेरे fingers में होते मेरे magic. Okay? So जादू किधर है? आपके उंगलियों में है. कैसा आवाज करना, कैसा pronounce करना. Don't show the little finger. K. When we are showing second finger, make your sound louder. K. Third finger, mid finger. Again you are showing what? Sound will be getting too slow. G. Again fourth finger, make it a sound big. That is G. Isn't it? So like this you have to pronounce and write. Cow. Cow. After pronunciation. After first you split it. Isn't it? K, K, K की मात्रा को ఇలా చదవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి? Without చెప్పడం అలా అవసరం లేదు. K, K की మాత్ర. ఒకసారి రెండు సార్లు మీకు if you got the practice now, we can get into the like this. Cow, cow, go, go. Okay. Second row. Chow, chow, jow, jow. Next third row. Tow, tow, dow, dow, no. Fourth row. Tow, thow, dow, thow, no. Fifth row. Pow, fow, bow, bow, mow. Last row. Yo, row, low, wow, show, show, sow, how, show, throw and now. Is it clear, children? So today I will complete this session only with the basics class. Okay. So tomorrow again I will start with the join the letter and matra, how to frame a words. Which matra? Okay, matra जोड़कर और शब्द कैसा बनाना, किस तरह के अक्षर और मात्रा जोड़कर शब्द बनाना कल सिखाऊंगी. But today this session is completed. Okay children, write very neatly, place the finger gap. This is you write in the first page. This should have to go to the next page. Again homework also one time. So class work one time, homework also one time. Okay. If you want to go for get into the next practice, you get into the rough note. Don't write in the class work. So you are writing only class work and homework only one time. Is it clear, children? So this class is very clear for you all, isn't it? So write down very neatly and more concentrate while writing. Keep the strokes properly and write it. Okay. Thank you, children.